Steps in order fulfillment. Number 1. Maintaining inventory. Inventory management is the process of ordering, storing, and using a company's inventory, raw materials, components, and finished products. Number 2. Responding to a sales order to determine availability and location in inventory. When a sales order is placed, the availability check is performed. If the material is available, then a confirmed sales order is recorded and sales order note. Number 3. Confirming pricing. The confirmation of prices letter is drafted for confirming the price of the supply installation of goods. It provides for descriptions, unit prices, quantities and total costs, and delivery and completion dates. Number 4. Configuring the order. If there is more than one piece or product, the manufacturing process of assembling and configuring products according to customer requirements. Number 5. Booking the order. Placing a request into the inventory system for what is ordered means the company's advertisement booking order or media sales order, as the case may be, in effect for the time being, and may include, among other matters, its scale of advertisement rates, technical specifications, advertising copy or cancellation deadlines, setting styles, and standard conditions. Number 6. Acknowledging and confirming the order is booked. The order confirmation email is easy to take for granted. After all, unlike other emails, this one is expected after making a purchase. Yet, it's an incredibly powerful sales tool, generating the biggest open and click-through rates in the e-commerce industry and bringing in 4 times more orders than a promotional newsletter. Number 7. Invoicing or billing the customer. An important written document that indicates the sale or supply by one business to another business or consumer. Number 8. Determining the shipping address where the item will be sent. To determine your shipping address, you need to decide where you want your package to be delivered. Number 9. Sourcing the order. Determining which facility to ship it from. Number 10. Determining which carrier will be used to ship the item. Number 11. Issuing order changes initiated by the customer after the sale, substituting for pieces no longer in inventory, or updating the order with newer pieces in inventory. Fulfillment entails the following steps roughly in chronological order. Number 12. Processing the order. The physical picking and packing of the order at a warehouse or distribution center. Number 13. Shipping the order, which may go directly to the customer or to one or more distribution points. Number 14. Delivering the order to the customer. Number 15. Settling, receiving, and processing payment for the received order. Number 16. Handling returns of unacceptable or damaged goods by either refilling the order or refunding the customer. And lastly, number 17. Updating the inventory. Steps in the supplier evaluation and selection process. Step 1. Supplier selection scorecard. The first step in the supplier selection process is to create a supplier selection scorecard. The supplier selection scorecard contains all the important elements you require in a supplier. It has long been stated that which does not get measured does not get done. Step 2. Identify suitable suppliers. Once you have the selection criteria in place, you must create the pool from which you will select a supplier. Step 3. Scorecard ranking. Next, gather information from the identified suitable suppliers, perhaps in the form of a request for quote or request for proposal. Tabulate the information you collect and use the scorecard to rank the potential suppliers. Step 4. Negotiate. After you have narrowed the list to a manageable number of best options, possibly just one, let the negotiations begin. Depending on the critical good or service, you may negotiate with just the top supplier on your scorecard, even if others remain on the list of potentials. Step 5. Create contract. Once an agreement is reached, a contract is created and signed. For many transactions, the purchase order is the contract. For complex situations, you may have a contract and then create a separate purchase order.